Hi guys, this is Farz and welcome back to Farzology, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to create your own signature in mobile. It's a really easy tutorial, and now making watermark or your own signature is a real fun. So let's get it started. Okay, pick your phone and apps you need to install called Infinite Painter. You can find this app on Play Store, so go there and download. And open the apps. And here you will find the three options: new, import and pattern. And here click new and you will find a canvas size. You can change the canvas size from here. Just drag this bar, and you can also find the templates from here, just like this. So pick a one template and now click on create, and here you will find a canvas. And at the bottom you will find the brush option. Look at this, the brush. Here you will find a lot of beautiful brush, and it's a huge collection really. And look at this: pencil, pens, calligraphy, marker, paint, watercolor, blah 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 blah. And it's a huge collection really. And now pick a brush what you like or which you like. And so I am choosing from a calligraphy, like floral, pastel, maybe it will work. Okay, and at the top you will find the option, brush option. You can click here, and now you can change the stroke size, opacity, smooth, adhesion, size, range. You can change everything. Just do experiment and find the best for you. And I think, okay, let's try with this. And also you can change the size from here like this, so it's good. And here you can choose the color. I'm choosing black color now because my canvas is white, so I choose black color brush. And now just create your signature with this finger. And now you can create a signature or your name just like this. Look at this, I am typing Orlando. I don't know what that is meaning. So you can create this kind of signature a really quick time. Okay, let's try with another one. Look at this, it's really good. Let's try with another one. Okay, change the color this time. I'm picking red color this time. Type, what should I type? Okay, David. Look at this, it's really beautiful. And after making signature, just go to this option and here select export and select format PNG, and you can give a name what you want and make sure your background is unchecked, and now click save. And it's done. And now you can use this PNG file as your watermark in Photoshop easily. So this is a really easy way to create watermark manually with just finger. So if you love this tutorial, if you did, hit the like button, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe.